Hey friends, I am here with another giveaway. This time it's not a wig, it's a book. I have 2 copies of a book called My Wig Journey by N.J. O'Neill. This is almost like a wig journal. You can journal your wig journey in here. You can keep track of the wigs that you've purchased. You know, I always recommend to a new wig wearer, especially if you're just at the beginning of your journey, to document every single wig you purchase, especially if it doesn't work out for you. Take selfies, make sure you have good pictures and good notes, because one of the traps we can fall into as new wig wearers is too many bad purchases. And if you're not keeping track of what didn't work on certain wigs, you run the risk of making additional purchases and having to return more wigs. Also, you never know what might change for you on the journey. I have had more wigs than I can count that didn't work for me in the beginning, and then eventually I absolutely fell in love with them. One perfect example is Raquel Welch Straight Up with a Twist. I reviewed that within a number, maybe 4 or 5 months, 6 months maybe, of my wig wearing journey, maybe a little longer than that. And I wanted to love her so badly, but I just couldn't get used to the roundness of the one that I had, the length. I remember posting in some of the Facebook groups and sharing and saying, and even in my review, I'm really on the fence, and everybody was like, keep it, it looks gorgeous on you. Well, I didn't keep it, and I ended up regretting it. Now I own Straight Up with a Twist in 2 colors. It's one of my all-time favorite synthetics, but it can take time. So journaling, documenting your journey is really going to help you a lot. For some people, that looks like an electronic document on your computer. For some people, it's a notebook. And for others, it might be a journal like this. So I'm giving away 2. We will have 2 winners. I'm very gracious to our wig sister who gifted these to me so that I could share them with everybody. I've shared them in the past, and now I'm ready to make sure they can get into the hands of a woman, a wig sister who will use it. So if you want one of these books, register. I'll put some details below. There's a link. Just click on that link. It takes you to Sweep Widget, where you enter your name and email. The dates of the giveaway, all of that will be below. Please don't fall for scams. I will never ask you for money, not even for shipping, on a giveaway. So if you get any kind of message or a comment, sometimes they'll reply to your comments below and try to send you to a random website. Don't fall for it. I will email you from my email address, heywigsister@gmail.com, and I won't ask you for any money. Good luck to those who register.